$605. Got the pallet forks here. Take 1, 2, or 3. How many cents there you got, Jesse? Up to 5 cents. On the pallet forks here, the brand new. And what do you get there on the pallet forks there? Hey, you get $500. And $500 down the bin, 5 down the bin, 5 down the bin, 2, 3, 2 down the bin, 1 down the bin, 4, and 4 down the bin, 3, 4, 4.5, $500. And 4 down the bin, 500 down the bin, 4 down the bin, 5, 5.5, and 500 down the bin, 5.5, half, 500 down the bin, 50 down the bin, 5 down the bin, 5.5 the bin, 5 down the bin, a quarter, and 500 down the bin, 25, 5 and a quarter, quarter, 5 down the bin, quarter, 9. So your way, Jesse, $500. He won them all. 1366 takes 1 cent. Tell you what we're going to do. $500. Who else wants a set? Well, just put your hands here. I'll sell them to you. 1324 takes a set. Right beside you, Jesse. What's your number, sir? Number 1282 takes a set. Anybody else? Number 1317 takes a set. What's that? What number did 1324 get, Mike?
One more.
You got 606. We have 1 set left. We have 1 set left. The only one in captivity here today. You got 442. 442. Thanks, folks. That saved me a lot.